Hello students, in this module I'll be talking about the formation of fruits and seeds. So look, listen and learn. Look at this beautiful picture right behind me, okay? You see a beautiful flowering plant, right? I've shown a flower here where I've shown you the entire carpel, okay? Because here I have to show you how the carpel ultimately changes into fruit. Just observe and look. So you just saw development of embryo and endosperm within the ovule. Now remember, when the endosperm and the embryo develop in the ovule, ultimately the ovary will also enlarge in size. Let us see how. Look at that. The ovary is enlarging in size and the other parts of flower will start falling off. There goes the sepal, there goes the petals. The stamens also fall off, the stigma also fall off, and even the style falls off. So pretty much every part of the flower just fell off. And what remains on the top is just a fully developed, mature ovary. Now remember, this wall of the ovary will now turn into the fruit wall, which is also called as the pericarp. Is that okay? So let us see how that will happen. There you go, right? What you see there now is a completely developed fruit. Now we all know most fruits, when they are raw, initially they are going to be green in color. Yes? And when they become ripe, they will change their color. Is that okay? Something like this. So on ripening, this green fruit just turned orange. Some fruit may turn red, others may turn purple, some may also turn yellow. It depends on which fruit we are talking about. So what you see here is a structure which we call as the fruit. The fruit has just developed from the ovary. Does that make sense? Now let us go ahead and form the seed. Remember this structure. Ovule, which is completely developed with its embryo in the center and the endosperm around it. Let's not forget it has these integuments, right? Correct? Now the outer integument ultimately changes to a thick structure, a hard structure, or the outer seed coat, which is also called as the testa. While the inner integument, right, this will turn into a much thinner and a transparent seed coat, which is also called as the tegumen. So both the integuments now turn into seed coats. Does that make sense? And within the seed coat is that developed seed with the embryo and the endosperm, right? And in this way, that small, dry and juicy ovule turn into a dry and hard structure which we call as the seed, with its seed coats, outer testa and inner tegumen. And that is how the fruit develops from the ovary while the seed develops from the ovule. Is that okay? So in this module, I have talked about formation of fruit and seed. In the next module, I'll be talking about three phenomena, namely parthenocarpy, apomixis, and polyembryony. Till then, thank you and take care.